Baby Lexie, do you have a riddle for us today?
Yeah, I have a riddle. This is a type of animal which has a curly tail. A female is called a sow, and a boar is the male.
Baby Lexie, where is your riddle today?
Right here.
What are you doing today, Riddle?
I'm at the farm.
You're at the farm. We're gonna go look at some animals?
Yes.
All right, are you excited?
Yes. Mimi.
Lexie, are you excited too?
Can I go? Hi.
What's that, Riddle?
A rabbit.
Want to touch him? Look at him. I can sniff you. You smell?
How is
He doesn't hurt you. See, he just smells you.
Mommy had a rabbit when she was little.
His name was Tuffy. When a rabbit wiggles its nose, it can smell better. Lexie, you want to touch the rabbit?
No. Well,
She's honest.
I smell the rabbit smell like. I know.
Can we go see?
Nay.
Little horses.
Nay. Come here, come see. What are they? They're horses, Lexie. Look. They're eating. See, they're eating the hay. Horses produce 10 gallons of saliva a day, which is a good thing with all the hay that they eat. Look at him eating.
The mostly white one, his name is Tango.
Oh, this is Tango.
Yeah. Born in 2006. And Velvet, over there, the black and white one, was born in 2005.
What do I smell?
Honey, you just smell the smells of a farm. Okay?
It's okay. It's fine.
It's okay. And this is Velvet. This horse is called Velvet. In cold weather, horses will eat more hay in order to stay warm. It takes longer to digest, and that makes more heat. Lexie, do you like the horses? No. Look, it's the goat. Look at the goat standing way up there. Hi, goat. Hi. Yep. Look at these goats, guys. Meh. Subscribe to Lexie's Riddle. It's a great channel.
Mommy.
Yes, honey. Hi.
Look, go into the hay.
The goat is eating the hay. See that? What color are these goats? They're black. Oh, look at the sheep. He's itchy. He's trying to scratch his itchies. Look at him. Lexie, what does a sheep say?
I'm gonna see those
Ah.
guys. I'm gonna see those guys watching.
This is a rabbit. What color is this rabbit?
White.
White.
And now,
There's a rabbit in there. All right.
I like to smell the animals because they smell
Are you dancing, Lexie?
sticky.
Oh, look at this chicken.
See that?
Baby Lexie, look at the chicken.
Can I go in there? I want to see the sugar. Mama, get me. Mama.
More chickens. There are actually 3 times as many chickens as people on this planet. Look at those chickens, guys.
I see. I see the chicken.
Do you see the one with the...
Oh, that was full.
Is that one a rooster?
Yes. Mama. Oh, more chickens.
A rooster is a boy chicken.
Roosters don't have eggs.
Is there a cow?
And I can go there and might run away. See?
You can try. You can see what happens.
Does it have eggs?
Roosters don't have eggs. Only hens have eggs.
And then
I think that's a hen.
could go.
Look at that big cow in there.
There's another place that has a lot of cows, the dairy barn.
I want to see the dairy
That's
barn.
way down the hill. We'll see that.
We'll see
last.
that in a minute, yeah. Lexie, what color is the cow?
Green.
Brown.
Man.
She's very sure of herself. Green.
Green.
Look at all those chickens. Wow. Okay, he's done with that.
Wanna go see the
A female peafowl is called a peahen.
Pink eye.
pretty?
Oh, that was not pretty. But that was not pretty. It's
Not pretty?
Oh, there's another one up there. Oh, yeah.
it's black and green.
And a male
Oh,
peafowl is
wow.
called a
How
peacock.
pretty. You're a pretty
It
bird.
doesn't smell. It doesn't smell in here.
Pretty bird.
It doesn't smell in here.
It's not
No, it,
Wow. What color is that bird, Lexie? Green, yeah.
Big feathers, huh? Big feathers. Scarlet would go nuts.
Whoa. That's a noise.
Wow, you made some noise.
He's like, get out of my feathers.
Hello. Hello.
That
He makes-
startled me. Did
He
that
makes a
startle
big
you?
noise.
He makes a big noise. Huh?
Hi, he keeps making it.
It's okay.
The
Yes.
honking one. He honks.
I wish I could reach that big feather. Oh,
Wow,
there we
he
go.
jumped
Ooh,
right
look
down.
how pretty
Look
he
how
is.
pretty. Pretty bird.
What did you find, Riddle?
Hi. I touch it.
I'm not sure. What is this animal?
What
Ooh, it's a pig.
is that poo?
That's poop.
What is that?
Look, Riddle, look at that pig. I think he's trying to come out. He cannot really come out. Look at that pig. I think he's itchy. He's trying to scratch himself. Hi, pig. Hey, Riddle. Hey, Riddle, I think a pig is the answer to Lexie's riddle.
This is a type of animal which has a curly tail. A female is called a sow, and a boar is the male.
Look, there's another pig over here. Sleeping pig.
Don't walk in the puddle. Walk in the puddle. Let's walk around the puddle.
Pigs have very thick skin, so it's hard for them to scratch when they get an itch.
Scratching his butt.
That is an itchy pig. Okay, kid. Oh, here comes a chicken.
Hello. The chicken wanted your
The
baby.
chicken wanted the baby doll.
Hello.
What if the chicken gets the baby?
I won't let it. I won't let it.
Mommy,
She ran for that too.
I know.
mommy,
Yeah.
what happens when chickens get baby dolls?
Well, they might like try to peck.
Yeah.
Peck.
They think everything is food.
Baby.
I got it. I got the baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, baby too.
How do you go onto that road?
The chicken really wants that baby.
How you saying
No,
that
don't give it to the chicken.
What's in there? The cows.
Come on, come see the cows. Lexie, look at the cow.
I want to touch him.
No, we don't want to touch them.
Look at the cow. Hello, cow. Hello, cow.
I spray that monk on there.
No, these are girl cows that don't have babies yet, so they don't make milk yet.
Yes.
They're called heifers. Hello. This cow is licking me.
My gosh, look at that big long tongue.
That cow wants to lick me. Lexie, look at the cow.
I know what the cows will be.
Okay, you don't have to.
That one has ringworm. Just so
Oh, cute.
tell by its face. Here.
Mommy.
Look at all the cows are eating the hay. You see them eating the hay? Hello, cows. Hello, cows. Cows are so big, aren't they? Got milk? No? We don't either. Because we're heifers, so we haven't made any yet. Stay tuned. Brand new baby cows. Look at the baby cows. Little babies. Do you remember what a baby cow is called? A calf.
I want to touch that one. I want to touch his butt.
You want to touch his butt?
Yes.
Okay. You want to do it too, Lexie? You can touch him.
This one's born on 10/3.
10:3. This cow is 2 days old. That animal is giant for just being 2 days old.
Are too funny.
Riddle is back in the wagon.
Baby.
What are you doing?
Baby. Baby. Baby.
Look, it's pumpkin tic-tac-toe.
Can I touch one?
You can touch the pumpkins, yeah.
Can I bring it home?
Those are weird pumpkins. Look, what color are those pumpkins? What color? Lexie, what color is this one?
Green.
Green, that's right. Good job. Riddle, what color is this one?
White.
White. That's
Mine.
right.
Green.
Green.
I got a pumpkin.
It's a tiny pumpkin.
Get some pumpkins. Get some pumpkins.
She's excited to hold it.
Two pumpkins. The big one wins. I got one big heavy one. Big heavy one.
Friends of fun, if you had a good time today with Riddle and Lexie visiting Pineland Farms and learning about farm animals, please give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of our videos, please hit the subscribe button down on the bottom. And remember, the fun is out there. Go find it. Take care, guys.
This is Riddle. Fun